Here are 5 skills for being a professional interpreter. Interpreting is not just converting words from one language to another. It's about bridging cultures, understanding nuances, and ensuring effective communication. For an interpreter, especially one working in a complex and dynamic environment like Iraq, several key skills are essential. Here are 5 skills for being a professional interpreter. Language proficiency. An interpreter must have a strong command of both the source and target languages. Language proficiency. An interpreter must have a strong command of both source and target languages. This includes understanding idiomatic expressions, slang, and technical terms. Cultural awareness. Understanding the cultural context behind the words is crucial. This helps in delivering the message accurately and sensitively. 3. Analytical skills. Interpreters analyze and comprehend the information being conveyed and accurately translated in real time. Memory and note-taking. Excellent short-term memory and effective note-taking skills are vital, especially in consecutive interpreting. 5. Professionalism and confidentiality. Maintaining confidentiality and professionalism, particularly in sensitive settings. The day begins early for an interpreter in Iraq. After a quick breakfast, the first task is to review any relevant documents and materials for the day's assignment. This could include briefs on meetings, speeches, or conferences. Being well prepared ensures that the interpreter is familiar with the context and terminology that will be used. Mid-morning, the first assignment. Interpreters often start their day with a meeting on brief session. For translators and interpreters, this could involve translating discussions or humanitarian aid, security updates, or development projects. It's crucial to remain focused and attentive, as these sessions can be fast-paced and information-dense. The key features of successful interpreters. Adaptability, which is the ability to adapt to different subjects and scenarios, is crucial, whether it's a technical discussion or a diplomatic negotiation. Being versatile is key. Emotional resilience. Working in conflict zones can be emotionally taxing. Successful interpreters need to manage their emotions. Ethical judgment. Interpreters often handle sensitive information. Making ethical decisions about what to convey and how to convey it is crucial. For those inspiring to be English-Arabic translators, the journey involves 5 major things. Formal education. A degree in translation or linguistics or a relevant field is beneficial. Specialized training in interpreting can also be valuable. Second, practice experience. Gaining experience through internships, volunteer work, or entry-level positions helps in honing skills and building a professional network. 3. Certification. Obtaining certification from a recognized body, such as the American Translators Association, can enhance credibility and job prospects. Cultural immersion. Cultural immersion or immersion. Spending time in an English-speaking country or working closely with native speakers can significantly improve language proficiency and cultural understanding. Technological proficiency. Familiarity with translation tools and software is increasingly important in the digital age, especially when it comes to artificial intelligence. Interpreters play a vital role in facilitating communication and understanding in Iraq and the world. Their work ensures that important messages are conveyed accurately and effectively. bridging cultural gaps and fostering collaboration. By combining language skills with cultural awareness, analytical thinking, and professionalism, interpreters make a significant impact on the communities they serve. Thank you very much. Here are 5 skills for being a professional interpreter.